The following are tools and items that are required or may be useful for installation of your folding door lock: a pencil, a drill, a Phillips head driver bit, and a 1/4-inch drill bit. Your folding door lock package should include the following parts: a door lock jamb casing, cover of lock casing, 2 1 1/4-inch screws, 2 1-inch screws, 2 3/4-inch screws, 2 5/8-inch screws, 1 spring, 1 knob, hook A, hook B, rear anchor plate A, rear anchor plate B, a latch pin, and 2 rear latch pin anchor plates, one marked A and one marked B. To begin, determine which set of plates and hook need to be used depending on the model door you have. On the door lock jamb casing, pre-drill through the holes marked B. You can mount the lock on either side of the door opening and at any height desired. Attach the correct hook to the cover of the lock casing with the knob attached opposite the hook. Attach the spring and then set the assembly aside. Hold the door lock jamb casing flush to the edge of your door. With a pencil, make a mark on your door using the holes marked B. Set the door lock jamb casing aside and drill through the door at the marked location. Insert your longer rear anchor plate B through the back of the panel. Attach the door lock jamb casing using the 5/8-inch screws. While carefully holding the spring in place, press the cover of the lock casing onto the door lock jamb casing and attach with the 3/4-inch screws. Test the position and operation of the hook. Pull the doors together to latch the magnets. Hold the latch pin to the opposite door on its proper position where the hook latches to the bar. Mark the holes with a drill bit. Set the latch pin aside, turn the hook upright, and open the doors so you can pre-drill the holes you marked on the opposite door. Once the holes are drilled, insert a shorter rear anchor plate through the back of the panel. Hold the latch pin to the front of the panel and attach with 1 1/4-inch screws. The folding door lock installation is complete and is ready for use.